What's the meaning of corgi? Corgi. Corgi.
Corgi. Corgi. A corgi is a type of small herding dog that originated in Wales. It is known for its short legs, long body, and pointy ears. The word corgi is derived from the Welsh language, with cor meaning dwarf and gi meaning dog. Corgis are popular pets due to their cute appearance and friendly demeanor. They are also sometimes used as service dogs or therapy dogs. Overall, a corgi is a beloved and recognizable breed of dog that has captured the hearts of many people around the world.